This is a physics experiment, part 1. We have a CD, have a microwave. I heard that this is supposed to work. Got a fire extinguisher on standby just in case. 5 seconds. Dear Lord, don't let anything happen to me. Bad view, I know. Oh God, that's awesome. Holy crap. Alright, that so didn't go for long enough. Oh, that was awesome. Try number 2. I'm gonna do 2. Hopefully it works. Let's do it for 6 seconds because 5 seconds didn't seem long enough. Oh, they're gonna rotate away. Oh God, that's ridiculous. Oh God, that's ridiculous.